Let's draw Luffy and Zoro from the legendary anime called One Piece. We will start with drawing Luffy first. Let's sketch the inner line of his straw hat, followed by his ears and jawline. Now, let's draw his big, friendly smile. Luffy's smile represents optimism and joy, two things that art can bring into our lives as well. Let's not forget that iconic scar on his face. Little details like this help make characters recognizable and memorable. I will now draw his hair. Luffy's messy hair shows his carefree nature, and drawing it teaches us to loosen up and enjoy the process. Now it's time to draw the outer rim of his straw hat. The hat is a symbol of his dreams, just like art can be a symbol of ours. Next, we will draw his skinny neck. Don't worry about it being perfect. Drawing is all about progress, not perfection. I'm now drawing his red hoodie. Clothing can express personality, and Luffy's simple outfit shows how determined yet humble he is. And with that, our sketch for Luffy is complete, and we will move on to drawing Zoro next. These two characters balance each other, and drawing them together helps us appreciate their partnership. I'm starting with Zoro's face and jaw first. Zoro's strong features show his discipline, something we can learn from as artists. Now, let's draw that confident smile on Zoro's face. His calm and confident attitude reminds us to stay focused on our goals. I want to show his left eye, which is closed due to a scar. This detail highlights his battles and growth, just like every drawing helps us grow. Now, let's draw the other eye. Take your time, because the eyes determine most of a character's expression. Time to draw his ears. Small features add balance and realism to any character drawing. Zoro's hair is much different from Luffy's, so let's draw it together. His spiky hair shows his sharp personality and determination. His neck is also much stronger, and so are his shoulders. Zoro's strength reminds us that consistency, whether in training or drawing, always pays off. Now let's draw his jacket. Clothing folds can be tricky, but practice makes everything easier. And with that, Zoro's sketch is also complete, and we will now color our drawing. Coloring brings everything to life, just like how experiences add color to our creativity. I'm using acrylic color markers, but you can use any colors you have. Art is about making the most of what you already have. First, I will start coloring Luffy's hat using red, light, and dark yellow markers. The underside of his hat is in shadow, so it will look much darker. Shadows help add depth and make your drawing feel more alive. Let's start coloring his face and body now. Try to keep your strokes smooth and even. For Luffy's hair, I'm using a black marker. Simple choices can still make a big impact on your final artwork. Now, let's color his hoodie red. Red matches his energetic personality perfectly. I always draw the outline first and then fill in the rest of the color to keep the drawing neat and clean. This habit makes the coloring process smoother. With that, we have completed coloring Luffy, and now it's time to color Zoro. I will start with Zoro's hair first, which is light green in color. His unique hair color shows how fun character design can be. Now, let's color his face and body the same way. Take your time, smooth blending gives the best results. Now, I will color his dark green jacket. Zoro's outfit matches his calm but powerful personality. Final touch, I will add the scar on his chest. These small details make your artwork feel complete and polished. With that, our Luffy and Zoro drawing is complete. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more ideas, and check out my channel for more interesting drawing videos.